The true biblical identity of the so-called Negro is the religious world's big dark secret.
The greatest mistake of the movement has been trying to organize the sleeping people around specific goals. At the end of the day, a lot of people are just scared to speak the truth, and that's the bottom line.
If you tell a lie big enough and keep repeating it, people will eventually come to believe it.
If you can control TV, movies, music, and distribution, you can control the narrative for a particular group of people. You have to wake the people up first, then you'll get action.
Shalom, 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 y'all out there in Hebrew world. It's Ronald Dalton Jr. is giving you an update. The biopic series, Hebrew by Nature, Season 1 is uploaded and live right now on Vimeo On Demand. You just go to www.vimeo.com/on demand. And if you do the search, you should be able to find it. Just type in Hebrew by Nature, and you should be able to get it. Or you can go to www.vimeo.com H2NVOD_pages, and you should be able to find all the Hebrews to Negroes media, movies, and documentary series. Check it out, y'all. Shalom, shalom, and shalom.
The people that would do such a thing like this, yeah. Stacking humans on top of each other, ripping children from their mothers, and making example of their fathers. Oh, honey, is this up? We've been through the fire, and now it's time to wake up. We're about to go higher. From Hebrews to Negroes, from Hebrews to Negroes, from Hebrews to Negroes, from Hebrews to Negroes. Sometimes it hurts so bad, the situation of my people, it's sad. They move around like the walking dead, no assurance of their life cause they live with fear. Who are them cursed people? They always at the bottom, those people. Head shaking at those people. Every nation hates those people. We here now, stand, my people. We coming into our heritage. You better wake up, this ain't no fairy tale. Our Elohim, he's here. He's restoring our stolen identities. And you know what this really, really means. We up next. Oh, honey, is this up? It's up. We've been through the fire. The fire. Now it's time to wake up. Wake up. We're about to go higher. Go higher. From Hebrews to Negroes. To Negroes. Hebrews to Negroes. From Hebrews to Negroes. Yeah. Hebrews to Negroes.
We got subtitles now in Arabic for the movie Hebrews to Negroes 2, Revelation, the Age of the Awakening. So now the Arabs and anybody that speaks Arabic can now get this truth and figure out who the real Hebrew Israelites are of the Bible today in the world. So as you can see, now we about to start hitting the world, the Middle Eastern world, North Africa, in the Middle East, Palestine, Israel, Lebanon, Central Asia. Anywhere do you have an Arabic speaker, the people now can watch the movie Hebrews to Negroes 2, Revelation, the Age of Awakening, and find out who are the real chosen people of God, the real children of Israel, the Bible. You can go to Vimeo On Demand and see this movie with the subtitles. Vimeo On Demand. Shalom, shalom. We got subtitles now on Vimeo On Demand in Arabic. If you go to the CC box, you'll see Portuguese, French, and you'll also see Arabic and Spanish. And we'll go for again the CC closed caption box. Arabic, Portuguese, French, and Spanish. One more time. Arabic, Portuguese, French, and Spanish. Working on Swahili, working on Hebrew, working on the Turkish dialect that's spoken in Turkey with the Afro-Turks are there. Nobody knows about them over here in America. We're working on different languages, but mainly right now, Hebrew, Arabic, Turkish, Swahili, and some other languages. We're gonna get the whole world to get this truth about who are the real children of Israel are. So stay tuned. This is on Vimeo On Demand. You can watch the movie Hebrew Sneakers 2 with subtitles in your language. So there's no excuse now when people across the world can get this truth. And eventually these subtitles will be on the DVD as well.